Welcome to OFAR. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to assemble this Alex desk with the Lagkapten tabletop from IKEA. For this build, you need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a hammer, and an Allen key that IKEA gives you. If you want to speed up the assembly process, then you can use a drill with the Phillips or positive drive bit. So the first step is to grab these two panels and put them into this orientation. Just make sure these holes are facing inwards, and the distance between the drawer slides are shorter here and longer towards the bottom. I've emphasized this with my fingers. Also, grab 6 of these screws. Then screw in the 6 screws into these 6 holes. Next, grab this piece and put it into this orientation. Also grab 4 dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Now grab 4 more dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Then grab another 4 dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Now connect both panels as shown. Next, grab 6 cam lock nuts and secure them into these 6 holes. Then grab the top and bottom panels and put them into this orientation. Also grab 12 of these screws. Then screw in the 12 screws into these 12 holes. Now connect the top panel like this. Then connect the bottom panel as shown. Next, grab 12 cam lock nuts and secure them into these 12 holes. Then grab 4 scratch guards and stick them on like this. Now put the structure you just built aside, and let's focus on the big drawers. Grab this front drawer piece and put it into this orientation. Also grab 4 of these screws and screw them into these 4 holes. Next, grab 2 side drawer pieces and put them into this orientation. Then connect them as shown. Then grab 4 cam lock nuts and secure them into these 4 holes. Now grab the bottom of the drawer and slide it in as shown. Just make sure these corner cutouts are facing down. Then grab the back of the drawer and attach it as shown. Next, grab 4 of these plastic pins and hammer them into these 4 holes. If you have a rubber mallet, then you can use it in this step. Then repeat the steps that pertain to the big drawer 2 more times. Now let's focus on the small drawer. Grab this front drawer piece and put it into this orientation. Also grab 2 of these screws and screw them into these 2 holes. Next, grab both side drawer pieces and put them into this orientation. Also grab 2 dowels and hammer them into these 2 holes. Then connect both side drawer pieces like this. Now grab 2 cam lock nuts and secure them into these 2 holes. Next, grab the bottom of the drawer and slide it in as shown. Then attach the back of the drawer like this. Next, grab 4 plastic pins and hammer them into these 4 holes. Then repeat the same steps in regards to the small drawer 1 more time. After assembling the 2 small drawers, 3 big drawers, and the frame, repeat all the steps again for the other Alex drawer unit. After assembling everything, place the frames apart like this and put the Lagkapten tabletop on as shown. Then grab 4 of these screws and an Allen key. Using the Allen key, secure one side of the tabletop to the frame using the 4 screws. The 4 screws will be going into these 4 holes. If you're having a hard time aligning and screwing in the screws, I found that screwing one in the front and then screwing another diagonally in the back worked the best for me. Now do the same thing to the other side with the 4 screws and an Allen key. Now the larger drawers will be going into the bottom 3 drawer slides, and the smaller drawers will be going into the top 2 drawer slides. Also grab 10 of these small screws. So to attach each drawer, you pull the drawer slides out and then slide them into the grooves of the drawer like this. Then grab 2 screws for each drawer and secure both screws into these 2 holes. Then repeat the same steps with the other 4 drawers. After completing one side, repeat the same steps with the other 5 drawers. The end product will look like this. Now test that everything opens and closes relatively smoothly, but if you followed all these steps, then you shouldn't have any issues. So you now have a fully assembled Alex desk with the Lagkapten tabletop from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.